Bye bye. See you again next time. In the evening, the bird coming to the nest to feeding the baby and meet the parents and meet the family of the bird. This is a good time in Thailand. Thank you very much. The good and the cloudy sky. Oh, that's right. It's the rainy season in Thailand. That's the great. Look at the bird. Can fly, fly, fly. Fly to the nest, back to the family. That's great. Great emotion of relaxing. If you want to relaxing, let's go to the forest. Go to waterfall and go to the beach, to the sea, to keep your heart relaxing, keep your life better. Better for your soul, better for your heart, better for your health. Look at the green and look at the sky. Blue sky, cloudy sky. That's great. Oh, that's right, mosquito is coming. Is that nearly the night? The night is coming. Say goodbye, Mr. Sun, and say good morning and good night, Mr. Moon or Miss Moon. Okay? See you again next time, my friend. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Please donate UNICEF for every child. UNICEF around the world by 190 branch around the world. Any country, any religion, please donate for UNICEF at your country to help other person, other friend, our friend around the world. If you want to eat some things to sweetness and milky, please eat like Sondusit milk tablet or Chilada milk tablet, so sweet and delicious and healthy. 90% milk powder and 80% milk powder and 20% for icing. So delicious, but 1% for emulsifier, not much, and not expensive from Thailand. And the next is Doi Kam. Doi Kam is very delicious too. If you don't have Chilada Sondusit, and you will have Doi Kam. Doi Kam, the delicious milk flavor milk tablet, delicious and deliciously and milky. So very, very beautiful time to eat. Yes, I will introduce you how to create the bridge. This is the Tomica bridge. Yes, this is a Tomica bridge for the stage. Next stage. See you again next time and say bye bye. Thank you very much.